down.
So this one is called the Nano N04, right?
Yeah.
Down there?
Yeah, all straight.
Right?
Yes. Okay, and the second way.
Left?
Not right, not left, it. Second X. Yeah.
This. Drives good.
Yeah.
How much is it? Money. Euros.
I know the price in Spain. In the other countries, maybe it's different for the taxes. Yeah, right. For the taxes, and in Spain, it's about 15,000 euros with 2 batteries.
15.
Yes.
Okay.
Now straight.
And then?
Okay, now the second exit, it is second X.
You're already selling in Europe, everywhere, or only Spain?
I don't know, because we are on expansion and opening a new stores in different countries, and maybe there are countries that we are selling, and maybe there are the other countries that we don't have a store and we cannot sell.
It drives good.
Yeah.
And very big and heavy. 2 people in that tiny thing. That's pretty cool.
No, it's a good solution for the city.
Yeah, it's pretty good with the seating like that.
Yeah.
The prices here are so expensive.
Yeah.
It's horrible. I don't want to fuel up my car the whole time.
Well, it's a different concept. This is not a car, it's a quadricycle. It's between a motorbike or car, with the best of the motorbike, that the agility, and the best of the car, that you are covered from the elements. Okay, now in the traffic light to right.
I thought she would be like...
I win.
Oh, electric windows.
Yeah. And automatic lights.
And even air condition.
Yeah.
Also heating?
Air condition.
AC, heating, everything.
Yes.
What is the range now?
The range is 48 kilometers.
48?
Yeah.
And when it's full, 100?
145.
And with me, 100.
In city mode.
Or 80. That's good. How fast is the charging from 10 or 0 to 100?
Depend of the charger. You can charge all the 2 batteries at the same time. You can charge 1 battery and 1 battery for separate. Or you can take the battery and put in the faster charge. It's a different... I don't know exactly. I think that the charger, two batteries at the same time with the car connect. I think that it's about 7-8 hours.
7-8 hours.
Yes.
So one night.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fun. Perfect for the city.
Yes. And the best of this brand, now we have in Spain a big charge of chargers. And you can, when you buy the car, you can buy the battery or you can rent. If you rent the battery, when you need charge, you can go to a public charger, you can let this battery and take another full charge. In 30 seconds, you have one battery full charge. That's
badass, yeah, that's really good.
And at this moment in Barcelona, it works in Spain. In Barcelona, we have more charge stations than petrol stations.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
And it works? How many people in Spain use silence?
I don't know. I don't know
millions?
Exactly, bro.
Thousands? Millions?
I don't know exactly, but in Barcelona, a lot of motorbikes.
To the right?
Yes. Of silence. And it's the same battery of the motorbike and of the car. You can use the battery if you have a motorbike or if you don't have a motorbike. I have the car, you can use the same battery.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It drives well.
Yeah.
On this or?
No,
yeah.
Right.
It drives straight. That's good. Can it fall over? Does it have electronic stability control?
Nah, I think that no.
Did someone already tip over?
Yeah, no, now it's all straight.
It did not happen that the car was falling over?
No, no.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Want to try?
Yet, and I hope never.
Light, everything. What's the maximum speed?
The maximum speed is 85 kilometers per hour.
80?
Yeah.
85.
85.
So is it like a moped or like a car, a mixture of both?
Yeah, it's a quadricycle. It's
like a quad.
Yeah, between motorbike and car.
Yeah.
You can overtake. Yeah, we have to. Okay, now right. That's the one.
It's perfect because it's so tiny. Oh. He's faster. Imagine this with double speed.
Yeah.
Like really fast. This would be cool, right? Like like a pocket rocket. So thank you very much. I stopped the video here. That's how the car looks from here. It's a tiny little thing. He was sitting here. I'm a very big guy, very tall, very big. And we both could fit and it was still driving, which is stunning. Pretty dope car. Funny future ahead. Bye bye.